Hello, this is Dad, and you are?
Christian. I am Christian.
And we are going to do a Rubik's Cube battle.
And
This is called the face-off.
And I give my dad that ponytail.
And Paloma gave me a styling ponytail. So, we have Rubik's Cubes. He thinks he's faster than me. We already know who the best is.
Me.
Christian, do you have any last words?
No.
Before I just shatter your confidence in Rubik's
No,
Cube?
Are you sure about that?
All right, countdown. Paloma, give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1. Game over.
Alright, go.
Go.
Start. Dude, I'm way faster than you.
I'm already winning.
Who is though?
Okay,
Alright, turn up the right cross.
Oh, no, that's not true.
Yeah, it is,
No,
bro.
you're not. No, you're not. There's no way. There's no way.
Yes, I am, bro.
That's not possible. Okay.
Alright,
Oh, wait,
second layer.
Stop it.
I am.
You're not even there yet.
Yes, I am, bro.
Wait, hold on. I'm missing a piece. Okay, here we
How
go.
are you missing a piece, bro? Alright, second layer is officially done.
No.
And
Paloma, back up.
Won.
So we want to make sure that no one gets
How
cheated. Because we're going to review the footage later.
Solved it, didn't he?
We're going to review the footage.
and
So
I
maybe
am
Christian's using the
done.
fake. Stop. Okay, well, hold
Oh
on.
my
I'm working
gosh.
on
And
it.
the winner is
I'm still the first
Christian versus Oscar, but Oscar
Wait, hold on.
I told
loses.
you I wasn't kidding,
But
bro.
Christian deserves a ponytail.
The
Hold on.
OLL and
Let me watch this.
The F2L.
Christian deserves a ponytail.
Because F2L.
Yeah, give him a
stands
ponytail.
for-
Give him a ponytail for a punishment.
Wait, what? For winning, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you get.
All the winners. Don't you know that all winners have ponytails? Let's see.
Winners, he says. Dude, I can re-scramble this again and solve it right now. Watch.
Oh, I'm still doing it.
I
No,
swear.
all right, do it. See if you can lap me. I guarantee you can't lap me.
Oh, yeah?
Go.
You
That
wanna
keep
bet,
it
bro?
on for
Paloma,
tonight.
scramble it for him.
No, I already.
Scramble it.
No, I already.
No, have her scramble it.
No, I already scrambled it. Good.
No, you didn't.
Christian.
No one approved it. No one approved it.
Christian,
Dude,
where'd
see?
you put my rubber
I'm sorry.
band? Where'd you put my
Dude.
rubber band?
I'm on the second layer already, bro.
Christian.
Okay, yeah. Christian, find Paloma's rubber band.
No.
Find her rubber band. Go
did
find
you
it.
put
I
Go find
swear,
it. Go
if
find
I
it.
laugh you, you're horrible at this, dude.
No, I don't get lapped.
Ooh, just stop it. Just stop
Stop.
it.
Stop, Mama. Seriously, stop.
Stop it. Stop it.
Paloma, you don't want to win. Oh, look, I'm almost there.
Oh, no.
Stop,
Mama.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
I got laughed, he said.
No, you didn't.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done again, bro.
Hold on, I'm almost done.
Oh,
Dude,
seriously.
I'm an old man.
I laughed him again, bro. Stop. Seriously, Paloma. You're ruining the video.
Okay.
All right, Paloma. Give me 3 seconds. Go.
3,
2, 1, go.
Boom. In your face, dude. What? What?
He lost.
Right there.
Alright.
Right there.
He lost.
Alright, watch it. So we're
He
gonna
lost.
film